Hello friends and welcome back to tuteslunch.com, your online study center. And today we are gonna see something about loops. And by the way, I'm Virendra. You know me, right? You can't forget me. So this is what we had done last time. This was our while loop. Today we are gonna see do while loop. And a do while loop is almost like a while loop, but with a difference that in a while loop we first check the condition and then we execute the loop. But in a do-while loop, we first execute the loop and then we test the condition. So what's the difference? You will be seeing it in a minute. So let's delete this and say do execute this loop while the condition holds to be true. So $A is greater than 1. Okay, so what it's gonna say is gonna say that first do, that is first it will execute this loop and then it will test the condition whether the condition is true or not. If it's true, then it will go again, and if the condition is false, then it will get terminated and it won't execute the loop again. So if you save it, alt tab F5 there, 1098765432, and tuteslun.com is a great website. Yeah, I know that. Don't need to tell me. And indeed, it is a great website. So, what's happening in here? Actually, let me give another example. If you say a equals 1 and it says first execute this statement, and after that um, $A minus minus, which makes, let me make it, yeah, minus minus, which makes 0, a 0. Then it tests whether a, that is 0, is greater than 1. Well, not. So it exits the loop. But as you can see, the condition was always false, but still it execute the the statement in this block of code one time. So that's mean that a while loop will not will not output or execute the block of code if the condition doesn't met, and if the condition matches, then the while loop will execute the code. Whereas in the case of do while loop, if the conditions holds to be false, then still it will execute it one time at least, and if the condition is true, then it will do execute the code that number of times. So save it, alt tab F5. See, even when our condition is false, it's printing this value one time. So that's the difference between the while loop and the do while loop, and that's the way we work with the do while loop. So whenever you want to use and whenever you want to perform some function or some coding or something a specified number of times, do use while loop. You have to use while loops in that case, and whenever you need to perform something a specified number of time, and also you want that at least even if the condition is failed, even then the function should perform it at least one time, then use do while loop. So that's it for the video, and in the next video I'm going to teach you something like for loop. Okay, so have a nice day and I will see you later. Okay, goodbye then.